guys, welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. In today's video, I am going to reveal my brand new office. I had an office before, but it was on the other side of the house, and I just found that I was not productive in there. So I traded out my dining room and my office, and so far I am loving it. My productivity has increased and I'm feeling great. Before I show you that, I want to go over just a couple of things. The first thing is, if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Jen. I make decorating videos, cleaning videos, lifestyle videos, organizational videos, pretty much anything that you can think of. And I would love to have you in my YouTube family. Click on that subscribe button and just make sure you click on that bell so that you receive notifications each and every time that I upload a video. Also, I have lost a couple of subscribers because for some reason, and honestly, I think it might be that I have my YouTube studio, maybe I have it downloaded on too many things. I have it on my iPhone, my iPad, and my computer. But anyway, long story short, sorry. I will see, like on my phone, it'll pop up. It'll say like, Live, Laugh with Jen made a comment or whatever. But when I go to my comments to reply back, it's not there. And sometimes it shows up like an hour later or a day later, sometimes even a week later. And also a lot of my comments are going to spam, and I am like not the best about checking spam. So if I do not comment right away, it's because it's just lost for a while. And as soon as it gets back, I will comment, because your comments mean so much to me, and it makes me feel so bad when I log on and I see that like I've ignored a comment for 2 weeks, because I did not intentionally ignore that comment. So I just want you guys to know that, and to know that I appreciate you and all that you do. And so let's take a look at my brand new office. Yay! Okay, so this is my desk area. I have a rounded desk. I had that in my old office as well. I have this plant. I'm not sure if it's going to stay here or not. Then I just have my computer. And I do not like a lot of stuff out. So basically, I got these 2 books from Hobby Lobby. And they're not actually books. They're little storage containers. So in one I have my pens. And this was $11.99 with half off. And then the bigger one I used to hold some sticky notes and little notebooks and that kind of thing. And this one was, my goodness, we'll see if we can see, $13.99 with 50% off. And then this plant's just kind of living here for a while. And you'll notice from here where I sit, I can look out the window. And then I have this candle for half off, and it says Live, Laugh, Love. So on my wall, I have my picture wall. These are places that we have traveled to. I love to travel. So on this side, I have a chair. The dogs sit right here a lot, as you can probably tell, because it's kind of dirty. And then I just have some pillows and a blanket and a lamp behind it, and it makes a great place for reading. Then I just have these candles, and I have them decorated for fall, little fall home tour preview. And then again, my pictures. Then I have this wooden filing cabinet, and I might end up changing some things around. Right now I just have a lamp, an R. I just kind of stuck these down in there and liked it. I have a little pumpkin, but I wanted to show you how I organize my stuff. And in the first one, the top one, I have in here, I have like some of my filming equipment, and this actually sits on my desk, but it has my full name all over it, so I just stuck it in there. I have this, and I'm going to show you inside this in a minute. I have this with just some extra pins in it. Then I have my file system, and I just have colors for different things. Like obviously this is labels, it's sticking out, I just used it. So I have like craft stuff, personal stuff, charity stuff, and then I have like work related stuff. And so I keep it all in the color it's supposed to go in. Then I put together this little box, and I'll show you guys what's inside it. I've had this for a while, but on the top I just have like sticky notes, stamps, that kind of thing. And then in the next part I have like some binder rings, some binder clips, some paper clips, some more sticky notes, some stickers for my bullet journal. And so I just kind of know where everything is, office supply related. Okay, so in my bottom drawer, I just have a collection of like house binders, work binders, notebooks, that kind of thing. And then I have my bullet journal, and then I have my Bible journal, and I have all of like the pens that I journal with, and it's just in a bag like this that I can just reach in and grab and take to my desk with me, and that's how it looks. I hope that you guys liked my new office tour. Please comment and let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next one. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. Bye-bye.